ard bheas a gcónaí Winter Black agus an tradiisiún as tháinig siad is socha agus na fréimhacha ó na bhór siad a chud óraníocht agus an dúile bhíach i gcónaí sa cheol agus an óraníocht le chéile agus mar sin de.
My mother came from inner city Dublin, and her type of music would have been old music hall type songs, and the bands who would be playing at the dances would invite my mother up to perform kind of in the break, and she loved that.
If you should duchreite mar gur sin an just seaamhsús in éáit agus ní ru aon fáibaí leis anáis bro de bheith eici an ceol a bheith a bhí eici.
Cuoine má máthir, bhíon choisíocht sa tepiheice. Má tá treis tabal doníthe a bheith caite i ggéiseach leabhráidige, chaach sí héana aránrá, bhíoh sí i lár an éananig ag an gceolchalim.
She know when she did that spot on the Late Late Show, and I think initially was supposed to sing a verse and a chorus, but Gay Byrne couldn't shut her up. He kept trying to, get in and give her a big round of applause. She'd go on into the next verse.
And now I have to call him Father.
Next week, part 2 of the Mammy Black story. It'll only take us an hour and a half and be all right.
It will certainly be a moment that would go down in history in our family, for sure. It's so typical my mother, so typical Patty Black from the Liberties.